Not every Forex broker in Dubai and UAE is safe and good enough for you. That's why I'll be breaking down the best Forex brokers in Dubai and UAE. But first, let's talk about what makes regulation by the DFSA important and why trading under its supervision could mean the difference between safe trading and being scammed. If you're trading Forex in Dubai and anywhere in the UAE, one thing you must know before you choose any Forex broker to trade with is who regulates them, especially those that operate within the Dubai International Financial Center, the DIFC, and that's where the DFSA comes in. The Dubai Financial Services Authority, the DFSA, is the independent regulator overseeing all financial and investment services that operate within the Dubai International Financial Center, DIFC, which is Dubai's global financial free zone. The DFSA ensures that Dubai's financial system meets international standards of transparency, integrity, and investor protection. In simple terms, if a firm is DFSA regulated, it means they've met strict rules of capital requirements, client fund protection, risk disclosure, and fair conduct. That is to say that DFSA regulated brokers must keep clients' funds in a segregated account and use transparent pricing. For traders, this is your first line of defense. It means that your broker is operating under legal framework that protects you from unfair practices, false advertising, and mishandling of funds, as these DFSA regulated brokers are subject to regular audits and inspections, and the authority have the power to either suspend or fine any broker that goes against the investor protection laws. So, when brokers claim to be DFSA regulated in Dubai and in UAE, you can verify it yourself through the DFSA public register on their website. If their name is not there, then that's a big red flag. Now let me show you how to confirm a DFSA regulated broker. Go to the DFSA's website. Right here, click on public register. On the search bar, type in the name of the Forex broker of choice and click on search. As you can see, I searched for Swissquote. You can see that Swissquote is an authorized firm. To see more details on Swissquote's registration, click on Swissquote. You will get to see details like their legal status, their reference number, their date of license issuance, and other information, including the authorized individuals, both past and present, and regulatory actions. Now, take note of these information, especially the legal status and the reference number. You may need to confirm the reference number on the DFSA public register with what is on the broker's website. Since we have searched for Swissquote, let's begin the review with them. Swissquote is a Swiss banking group offering banking, trading, and investment services in different countries of the world. But for UAE clients, it operates through Swissquote MEA Limited, which is a subsidiary of Swissquote Bank SA in Dubai, and it is a Dubai International Financial Center, a DIFC-based entity that is regulated by the DFSA. Swissquote was licensed to operate in the UAE in 2012 with reference number F001438. Its local regulation, combined with the global backing of the Swiss parent bank, adds a second layer of regulatory oversight. Now, what does Swissquote offer? Its account types, its trading platform, and every other detail. Let's get into the details. Swissquote offers multi-asset trading from Forex and CFDs like currencies, commodities, indices, and others, to stocks, ETFs, bonds, cryptocurrencies, structured products, and various other assets, both for trading and investments. They generally have the standard account, the premium account, and the prime account. Now let's look at the account features for Forex. For the standard account, spread starts from 1.7 pips, no commission, with minimum trade size of 0.01 lots and a minimum deposit of $1,000. For the premium account, spreads start from 1.4 pips, no commission, with minimum trade size of 0.1 lot and a minimum deposit of $10,000. Then the Prime account has spreads from 1.1 pips, no commission, with minimum trade size of 1 lot and a minimum deposit of 50,000 US dollars. On all accounts, maximum leverage is 1:100 with 30% stop out level, inactivity fee of 10 dirhams after 6 months of inactivity, and then expert advisors is allowed. Then if you are a politically exposed person, that is PEP, you will be charged a PEP fee. Have in mind that their spreads are high when compared to industry average. Then you will be charged commissions on stocks and forwards. You will also be charged overnight or swap fees and dividend adjustment on stock CFDs, plus cash adjustment on index CFDs and some extra charges. Then some payment methods also attract a fee. Now let's talk about their trading platforms. Their platforms are backed by tools that are suitable for both beginners and advanced traders, and they differ according to the asset you want to trade. For cryptocurrencies and securities like stocks, ETFs and the rest, you will be trading with their proprietary app and their desktop platform that has both the TradingView chart and simplified charts. But if you want to trade Forex and CFDs, you'll be trading with 4 trading platforms, including CFXD, which is a web and mobile trading platform that allows you to trade on TradingView. Then they have TradingView with MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 that comes with auto trading features and algorithmic trading. But you will be unable to trade stocks and cryptocurrencies on the MT4 platform, and then synthetic CFDs and fixed API features are not available on both MT4 and MT5. Note that with the CFXD platform, you will not be able to engage in copy trading and algorithmic trading. They also have their Invest Easy platform, which is for investment purposes. And Swissquote has a lot of resources to aid your learning, from ebooks to webinars to newsletters and other materials. To contact their customer support, you can do that via phone call, email, or you can even visit their office. Now to the next broker, which is IG. In the UAE, IG is the trading name of IG Limited, and it holds a valid regulatory license from the DFSA for conducting regulated financial services for retail clients operating from the DIFC. Its DFSA reference number is F001780, and this license was obtained in 2015. It operates under its parent company, IG Group. IG is often used for CFD trading, which involves Forex, indices, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and other assets like bonds, IPOs, interest rates, and the rest. But apart from leveraged CFDs, you can trade stocks and ETFs that are not leveraged. If you'll be trading with IG, note that the account types are categorized based on the tradable instruments. That is, they have the leveraged CFD account and the non-leveraged stock trading accounts. But generally, spreads start from 0.6 pips for major Forex pairs. You will also be charged commission on some instruments like shares and ETFs, then overnight fees, guaranteed stop loss order premium, as well as currency conversion fees when your account currency is different from the currency of the instrument you want to trade. That is, if you're operating a CFD account, but the stock account will not be charged this fee. You will also be charged real-time data fee to get live market data of some instruments, and account documentation fee if you are trading US stocks and your tax document is incomplete. Then goods and service tax. But for stock trading, you will not be charged commission, exchange fees, and custody fees. For trading platforms, they have their proprietary mobile app and their web trading platform that can be accessed on mobile. But only CFDs can be traded on the mobile web platform and not stocks. They also have platforms like Pro Real Time, which is best for technical chart users. Then they have MetaTrader 4 for Forex specialists and the L2 dealer for advanced shares traders. Among these three, only MT4 can be accessed via mobile. While MT4 requires no fee for platform cost or exchange fees, the Pro Real Time platform charges $40 monthly if you do not trade for at least 4 times a month, and they also charge monthly fees for certain stocks on CFD accounts. Then on the L2 dealer platform, you will be charged monthly fees for shares data and level 2 prices. Your account can be funded with credit and debit cards and bank transfer. But unfortunately, your account-based currency cannot be in dirhams but in US dollar for the CFD account, and then in US dollar, pounds and euros for the stock account. But you can make deposits in dirhams at no extra cost whatsoever when you use bank transfer. With the IG Academy, you can get the basics of trading. Then they also have articles and videos to help your learning too. IG has a local office and they offer customer support to their clients via their responsive live chats, WhatsApp, phone call, or even email. Now let's talk about Pepperstone. Pepperstone, via its DFSA licensed entity, is one broker that is reliable and available to UAE traders. For all traders, whether beginners or experienced traders, its mix of regulation, a wide range of assets, platform choices, tons of trading guides, webinars, and competitive pricing makes Pepperstone a good candidate for Forex and CFD trading. It secured its DFSA authorization in 2020 with reference number F004356 as a DIFC company. In addition to its DFSA regulation, it holds top-tier licenses from the FCA, ASIC, Swissquote, and from 3 other regulators, making it a secured broker that is under multiple strict oversight. Pepperstone offers over 1,300 assets as Forex, commodities, cryptocurrencies, shares, ETFs, indices, dividends on indices and shares, and forwards, giving traders broad flexibility across asset types. For active traders, Pepperstone offers competitive pricing like its Razor account that have spreads from 0.0 pips on Forex and 0.05 pips on gold, though with a commission of $7 round turn on Forex pairs, while others is from 0.02 US dollar per share. But the standard account has spreads from 1 pip with no commission except on shares and ETFs. Swap fees apply on all accounts, but not for futures and forwards, but then no admin charges or market data fees or any other charges, and then their minimum deposit is $10. Pepperstone supports major trading platforms that are widely used in the industry, which includes MT5 and MT4 that are made up of 28 indicators and expert advisors. Then they have TradingView with free subscription, as well as CTrader that allows API trading, and then their VPS hosting is available for pro traders. Finally, they have their proprietary Pepperstone platform that is available on desktop, web, and mobile phones, and all of these platforms are helpful to both beginners and advanced traders. Note that with their proprietary platforms, you cannot engage in automated trading, neither can you backtest, and then their standard account cannot be used on the TradingView platform. Trading with Pepperstone, you can only trade with a maximum leverage of 1:30. Payment methods include Visa and MasterCard debit cards and bank transfers without making any provision for crypto funding. And then if any issues should arise while you're using your account, you can give them a call or you send them a mail. Another broker that is regulated by the DFSA is HF Markets. HF Markets offers competitive and a relatively safe platform that is under local regulation in the UAE with reference number F004885. Its license was obtained in 2018. It is also regulated by the FCA, Swissquote, and 4 other regulators. This licensing beyond the DFSA adds an additional layer of institutional credibility. And whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, they have online trading courses and webinars to help improve your trading knowledge. HF Markets Assets centers around leveraged CFDs that are over 500, consisting of Forex, metals, energies, indices, stocks, commodities, bonds, and ETFs, rather than direct ownership of underlying assets, which may suit long-term buy and hold investors. They provide a range of account types to suit different traders' profiles. Their premium accounts provide spreads from 1.4 pips, no commission, and a minimum deposit of $300. The VIP account offers spreads from 0 pips on Forex and gold, with commission on Forex, and minimum deposit of $20,000. The VIP Pro account also offers spreads from 0 pips for Forex and gold, with commission charged for Forex and a minimum deposit of $30,000, while the Premier Pro account offers spreads from 1 pip, no commission, and a minimum deposit of $5,000. On all accounts, the account-based currency is in US dollars. Maximum leverage for the premium account is 1:30, while others are 1:400. The premium and VIP account both have margin call of 80% and stop-out level of 50%, while the VIP Pro account and the Premier Pro account both have margin call of 50% and a stop-out level of 20%. Swap-free options for specific instruments is available on the Premier account. If your account is without a trading activity for 6 months, you will be charged dormancy fee from $5 and above, depending on the period of inactivity. Your account will be in US dollars and not in dirham, but you will not be charged currency conversion fees for converting your dirham deposits into the US dollar, and this also applies when you are withdrawing as well. They have provided 3 platforms that includes the MT4, the MT5, and their proprietary HFM platform that is MT5 integrated. While the MT4 is made up of 9 time frames, 30 technical indicators, and 31 analytical objects, MT5 is made up of 21 time frames, 38 technical indicators, and 44 analytical objects. Then ETFs and direct market access are only available on MT5 and the HFM platform. Then they permit the use of VPS hosting. Now, if you meet their requirement, you can use it free. But if not, you will need to subscribe to their packages. Payments can be made via wire transfer, debit cards, and e-payments, but with wire transfer, you will be charged deposit fees for all your deposits below $300. If you need help from their customer support agents via live chat are very responsive with little or no waiting time. You can also reach them via mail or you give them a call. And remember that they also have a physical office location in Dubai. The next on the list is XTB. XTB in the UAE operates from its DIFC-based office, and it has been licensed by the DFSA since 2021 with reference number F006316. It did not just end there. They also have licenses from the FCA, SISEC, and 3 other regulators. XTB offers a wide range of financial instruments that are over 4,000, including CFDs like Forex, indices, commodities, stock CFDs, and ETF CFDs, as well as non-leveraged stocks and ETFs, giving flexibility to both short-term traders and investors. If you'll be opening a stock and ETF account, no minimum deposit is required, but your minimum investment value is $10. Currency conversion fee of 0.5% also applies. Then you can opt for a swap-free account. But with the CFD account, no minimum deposit is required. Then spread is from 0.9 pips with no commission. The maximum leverage is 1:30, and you can also opt for the swap-free account. The XTB platform that is available on web and as a mobile app, and then the all-popular MT4 platform are both the platforms with which you can use to trade with XTB. There is no MetaTrader 5 for any third-party platform like any of the brokers we have reviewed so far supported. Payments can be made by card, bank transfer, while withdrawals below $50 attract a fee of $30, which is high, and this applies to both accounts. You can either contact XTB via live chats, email, or phone call, or you can visit their office. Trading in Dubai and across the UAE can be incredibly rewarding, but only if you do it the right way. No matter how attractive the platform looks or how convincing the offer sounds, start by asking who regulates that broker. Doing this can save you from weeks or even months of frustration and losses, because regulation is not just a badge, it's your protection. The more transparent and locally compliant your broker is, the safer your trading journey will become. And beyond spreads, platforms, and brokers' offers, one thing that really matters is trust. So take your time, verify every single thing so you do not make a mistake. Because in the world of Forex trading, it's not just about profitability, it's also about being safe. Let me know your views about the brokers we have reviewed in the comment section. But before you go, make sure you like this video. And then if you would like more reviews like this that are region specific to you, then subscribe to this channel and visit our website at safeforexbrokers.com. Until I come your way again, happy trading.